Hello, today we are learning to create liquid movement in After Effects. To begin, we're going to create an ellipse with the ellipse tool in your composition. Rename this layer Circle. Then with the layer selected, we're going to go to Effect, Generate, Gradient Ramp. In the Gradient Ramp settings, we are going to change the start and end points of the gradient ramp. We will also change the colors to whichever ones you desire. For this example, I went with a light red and a dark red. Next, right-click the layer and scroll to Layer Styles and select the inner shadow. For the inner shadow settings, we will change distance to 50 and size to 50. On the same layer, use the Add button under Contents and select Wiggle Paths. In the Wiggle Paths drop-down, we will change the size to 50, detail to 0, points from corner to smooth, and wiggle per second to 1. You'll end up with a bouncy animation like so. Then duplicate your layer a couple times and move it around the composition. Then create a new adjustment layer. And in the Effects and Presets, search Gaussian Blur Legacy. Add that to your adjustment layer. Change its blurriness to 25, and finally to the adjustment layer, add a simple choker. Change the choke matte to 25. That is how you achieve a liquid animation in After Effects. If you like this tutorial, please check out my various other ones on my channel. Thank you, and please subscribe and hit the notifications for future uploads.